Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So, in today's video, let us solve few of the examples using the nth term formula of arithmetic progression. So you know what is nth term formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So applying this formula, to let us solve few of the examples. So finding nth term of arithmetic progression. The first example I have taken here is find 10th term of arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12, so on. Another one example number 2, find the 12th term of AP whose first term is 5 and common difference, CD stands for common difference is 3. So let us solve these two examples. Now here, by looking towards the given example, you have to write the value of first term, that is A, value of common difference, that is D, value of n, that is the number of term, that is 10th term. Then you have to write A10 is equals to question mark. This sort of activity is called analysis of the statement or analysis of the example. Now let us solve this. Solution. So here A, the first term is 2, comma, D, common difference 7 minus 2. So the next term minus preceding term will give us the value of common difference, that is 7 minus 2 is 5, and you know n is 10, then an is equals to question mark. Instead of writing an is equal to question mark, you can write a10 is equals to question mark. This is called analysis of the statement. Now the second step is you are going to write the formula. Since an is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, therefore a10 is equal to, because we are going to find the 10th term, a10 is equal to, now in the third step you are going to substitute the values of a, n and as well as d. So what is the value of a? A is 2 plus n is 10, 10 minus 1 multiplied by d is 5. This equals to 2 plus, as it is, now 10 minus 1 is 9 multiplied by 5, and this equals to 2 plus 9 5s are 45, and 2 plus 45 obviously 47. So therefore the 10th term of this particular arithmetic progression whose first term is 2 and common difference is 5 is 47. So in this way we apply an formula to find the given number of term. Now let us solve one more example, that is find the 12th term of arithmetic progression whose first term is 5 and common difference is 3. So solution, here a 5 comma common difference, that is d is 3 and an is 12 here, then a12 is equals to question mark. This is called, as I told you already, analysis of the statement. Now write the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So therefore a12 is equal to the value of a, that is first term 5 plus n is 12, 12 minus 1 11, you can write directly 11 multiplied by the value of d is 3. Next step, simplification. 5 plus 11 3s are 33 and 5 plus 33 is 38. So therefore, or hence, the 12th term in this particular arithmetic series, arithmetic progression is 38. This is the solution. So here, by looking towards these two examples, we can understand how the nth term formula can be applied to find the number of term in the given arithmetic progression. So dear students, just you copy it down in your fair notebook. Let us solve few more examples. Okay, so let us go for example number 3. So third example, you can write directly also. A is equal to say 10, okay, D is equal to say 5, and N is equal to say 15, and A15 is equal to question mark. You can write directly. All right, now let us solve this example. This is all mechanical work, nothing else. Simple examples are there. Now write formula. Since An is equal to A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D, am I right? Now therefore A15, that is we are going to find 15th term of this arithmetic progression, whose first term is 10 and common difference is 5. Now A15 is equal to substitute the values. A10 into N is 15, 15 minus 1 14, 14 multiplied by D is 5. All right, so this is equal to 10 plus 14 5s are 70, and 70 plus 10 is 80. So therefore, or hence, the 15th term of this arithmetic progression is 80. This is the solution. All right, go for one more example. You can write, as I said, directly. See example number 4, say A is equal to, we can take many examples of your own. Okay, A is equal to, for practice purpose, A is equal to say 8, D is equal to say -2, and A20 is equal to question mark. Okay, now formula, since An is equal to A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D, am I right? Now therefore A20, that is we are going to find 20th term in this arithmetic progression. A20 is equal to value of A, substitute the values 8 plus into bracket 20 minus 1 19, you can write directly, multiplied by -2, the value of D, negative value -2. Now this is equal to 8. See, plus minus will become minus. 19 2s are 38. Plus minus minus, 19 2s are 38. Plus 8 minus 38 is nothing but -30. So hence the 20th term in this arithmetic progression is -30. So fourth example we have solved. Third example, the first term was 10, common difference was 5. 15th term we found. In fourth example, first term is 8, common difference is -2, and we found here the 20th term. Let us solve one more example. Example number say 5. So here A is equal to, let us go with the negative value. A is equal to say -4. D is equal to this, let us take, this is also a negative value, -3. Then A25 is equal to question mark. Okay, 25th term. Now formula you are having, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, now therefore A25 is equal to value of A -4. All right, plus into bracket N is 25. 25th term we are going to find 25 minus 1 24, multiplied by D is again negative, that is -3. Next step, simplification. minus 4. See, plus minus will become minus. 24 3s are probably 72. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 72. Now minus 4 minus 72, signs are same, add the numbers and put the same sign. So minus 4 minus 72 is nothing but minus 76. So therefore the 25th term of AP, whose first term is minus 4 and common difference is minus 3, is minus 76. So this is the answer. Okay, so let us go for one more example. Example number, say, 6. A is equal to let us take minus 15, D is equal to say 5, and N is equal to say 50, and A50 is equal to question mark. As I said you, many examples from your own you can take to get perfect in such sort of examples. Okay, now An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is formula. Therefore A50 is equal to value of A minus 15 plus value of N 50, 50 minus 1 49, 49 multiplied by D 5. This is equal to minus 15 plus 49 5s are probably 245. 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 24, 245. This is equal to minus 15 plus 245 is nothing but 230. 230. So hence the 50th term of this arithmetic progression, whose first term is minus 15 and common difference is 5, is 230. This is the answer. So in this way, within a short period of time, we have seen 6 examples. Now this is how nth term can be found out by applying the formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now here, if you look at the formula, 1 2 3 4 variables are there. Out of 4 variables, if any 3 variables are known, 4th variable can be easily found out. So let us, in the next video, let us see how A can be found out when An, N and D are given, how N can be found out when An, A and D are given, and at the same time how we can find D when An, A and N are given. So before that, probably let us I will give you few 3 to 4 examples, not more than that, for your practice, and I hope you will do these examples, you will solve these examples in your fair notebook. Now I am writing 2-3 examples for practice, for homework. So example number 7, let us continue. A is equal to, say, any examples, any values can be taken. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 3, N is equal to, say, 15, and A15 is equal to question mark. One more example, example number 8. A is equal to, say, 5, D is equal to 2, N is equal to, say, 22, A22 is equal to question mark. Go for another 2 example. A is equal to minus 12, okay, D is equal to minus 4, then N is equal to, say, 20, A20 is equal to question mark. Last one, example number 10. A is equal to, say, 3, D is equal to, say, minus 2, N is equal to 12, and A12 is equal to question mark. So nothing doing, you can take many examples from your own and you can solve these examples by applying the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Thank you very much.